Up until this point, I'm making about $700. Today, I'm up 181, and this is coming in each and every day. And all I'm doing is, true story, copy and pasting links. Yet clearly, I'm doing it in a very specific manner. Okay, and on the off chance that you focus, you will adore this, you will like this. Is upwards of $7,500 per month what you need? No bank speculation can get you that without immense monetary commitment. We'll come to the work. How about we go, okay? So, tune in. I truly appreciate you clicking on this video, and showing your support by liking and subscribing would help a lot. But it's more important that I give you value. Alright, I need you folks to get to this initial step. Stage 1. You need to go to digistore24.com. It's a straightforward partner network stage that will permit you to make a lot of cash. And what I will do is show you precisely the thing I'm doing. This is the exact thing I'm doing to make $800 plus a day online for free. Go to the marketplace. Go to the personal development section. Pick the meditation niche to bring in cash online for free. Next, click the button Promote and get your own personal link for the product. This is called your affiliate link. Alright, this link will get you paid. You can do this a couple of hours daily and make a couple hundred, perhaps $1,000. There's many individuals making $1,000 each day, and it's straightforward. However, it will take a little bit of time to get to that point. They're paying me each and every week, alright? And think about what they can and will pay you. That's cool to think about. Now, let's make it a reality. Yet tune in. You want to get to 500 to 700 every day. Simply following the strategy and read intently. In this way, all I believe you should do is copy your affiliate link. You will require the link, so ensure you keep that nearby. Then the following thing you want to do is go to google.com. Indeed, you ought to do this while understanding this. So do it with me, so you won't miss a single step. Stage 2. Type in meditation forums in google.com. So, you see this large number of forums. All you will do is sign up for free, and I will tell you exactly what to do. What you will do, and toward the end of this video, I will share a secret about this method of making $800 plus a day online for free. I will give you an autopilot way, where indeed you fundamentally sort of sit back. You set it up and you get another person to do it for you. So, you will join a bunch of meditation forums in this niche, like 100 of them. You need to join like 100 of them. Alright, and if you would rather not make it happen, I'll show you a simple method for getting another person to do it for you for essentially free. So you need to join meditation forums and sign up to meditation blogs. Join that large number of discussions at this moment. You remember that affiliate link you got? Keep it straightforward whenever. You suggest this on the forums. You simply get paid when individuals get it. You get paid again and again. Now, you need to go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com. Put your affiliate link there to abbreviate the link. Make it exceptionally short, and you copy and paste it and write it on some paper. Alright, presently once you join all these groups, ensure you keep an Excel sheet. This is the thing I do. An Excel sheet of all the meditation sites and meditation blogs. Tune in, repetition is the important thing here. Stage 3. So whenever you're finished with that, what you do is go to Facebook. This you will do bit by bit. Type in meditation for novices/beginners. Alright, you need to join as many groups as possible that have the word meditation and law of attraction for beginners in them. You can join these for free. Some of these groups will require you to fill out a form to join. Simply fill out the form and then wait to be accepted into the group, which shouldn't take long. The justification for why you want to do beginners is because these people are fresh in this, so they likely won't know how it works, and you will be the one to teach them without knowing barely anything. Promptly to bring in the cash on Facebook, you want to assemble affinity or a close relationship in which people understand each other and communicate well. Basically, go to approved groups and type, "Hello, I am blank. I'm happy to join the group." Might anyone at any point drop a couple links of the ongoing meditation procedure they're using? I'm utilizing this free one, yet I wish to see what every other person is using. Comment below. For this, you can change the wording how you wish, but keep the main message the same. You can either do this by post, video, or utilizing an attractive photograph. Video is in every case strong with regards to these Facebook gatherings. I do it constantly, and individuals love it. Simply don't be boring. Or, on the other hand, you can say, "Hello, anyone having any difficulties? I'm here to help anyone having any issues as it connects with meditation. I recently manifested something cool, and I am curious as to whether I can help." Keep in mind, people love people who help others. To whomever responds, you will simply contact them. Say, "Hey, I saw that you have a few issues. Allow me to give you a free reflection that is working for me at this moment." All you do is this. You're getting that affiliate link. That is all you do. So, let's do the numbers for this. In the event that you got 4 individuals to click that link and say, "I need this meditation now," only 4 individuals. That is $200 per day. That is $6,000 each month from just 4 individuals out of millions. Final stage 4. Your education level. It doesn't make any difference. If you're old or youthful, you can do this. It requires time, it takes tolerance, and it takes concentration once you get it. Envision this. You do these methods and you do it again and again, and you at long last begin bringing in cash on the web. Furthermore, in the following 30 days, you'll end up getting $5,000 every month, or $10,000 a month. Like, how might you use the cash? Travel, change houses, get a car, and so forth?